Archer via Bravo and Alpha 3.
South Valley Archer 32544, upwind runway 1.
Slowly, slowly. Pitch back. Oh, check that out. I'm doing the rudder, don't worry about it. Okay. I'm just making small corrections. Great. Let's go ahead and put the flaps down.
Fuel truck over to Charlie.
Get your feet on the rudder. And let's roll. The only thing I touched on that was rudder.
Charlie 9.
There you go. Rotate. Right rudder.
South Valley Archer 970 Charlie.
And let them know you're on final 16. Touch go.
South Valley 7503 Whiskey on final for 16.
Okay, next notch of flaps. I'll control the rudders again.
I overshot that, damn it.
Yeah.
South Valley Archer 970
Make corrections.
Charlie on the 45 to downwind, runway 16 South Valley.
Alright, I got the rudder.
You have the rudder.
I do. Slowly. Let's go around. Go around. Go around. Full power. Nice. Okay, one notch of flaps. Immediately. Perfect.
Charlie on downwind, runway 16 South Valley.
Alright, we're stable. Pause ready to climb. Another notch. Nice. We're stable. Pause ready to climb. Another notch. And let's climb out at 85. Okay. On that one, you just started flaring a little bit too high.
Okay.
Gotta be patient on that one. As you start that process, remember you gotta transition your eyes from looking at where you're gonna land to looking at the other end of the runway. That'll help gauge your depth perception in terms of how far above the runway you are. Better make that right turn now, because last time we overshot. There you go. That looks a lot better. And full flaps. Sweet. Looking for about 70. And this sight picture is okay. We're a little left to center line, a little low. I got the rudders.
You got the rudders? Okay.
South by traffic, Archer 231 Bravo Golf, over the brickyard, looking to enter 45 right downwind for 16. South Valley Archer 970, Whiskey Charlie, turning right base, runway 16, touch and go South Valley.
Okay, you gotta walk the power out as well. Flare. Okay, I got the rudders. Alright, flaps down. And let's go.
You still have rudders?
I got the rudders, yep. I'm just holding right rudder pressure to hold the center line. You can put your feet on them if you want, just to see it. But notice how much pressure I'm using. So, not a lot, just enough to keep us on that center line. Okay, you got rudders.
I have rudders.
That was better.
Okay.
We have to continue the flare all the way through until pretty much the airplane stops on the ground. And this is something I have to tell Jordan as well. Even though the wheels are on the ground, doesn't mean the airplane's done ready, or done flying.
Right. Doesn't mean all the weight's been transitioned to the wheels.
That's right. It still wants to fly, so you got to continue with the back pressure.
Okay.
Southbound traffic 331 Bravo Golf on downwind, right downwind, following Whiskey Charlie, and I'll do an extended base.
Oh, lots of
Valley,
people.
UL-23 Blackhawk helicopter, we got the downwind traffic in sight, we're going to follow behind you. And crossing over the field now.
Alright, I'll take rudders again, full flaps. 03 Whiskey, final 167.
South Valley Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, right base, runway 16, full stop, South Valley.
Got rudders?
Yes, I do. Little less power, slowly walking it out. Slowly flare, slow. Be patient. A little more, a little more, a little more. So you got to ease into it, but the motion has to be consistent. Okay. All right, flaps down.
Alpha 331 Bravo
Full
Golf,
power.
turning right base for runway 6, we'll stop.
You have rudders?
I do. You can follow along though. As you rotate, feel the pressure on the rudder as I do it. See that? Just a little bit. It's maybe this much. You know, this much pressure. But it keeps us on the center line. Very good. Okay, you have rudders now. South Valley 03 Whiskey, final 16, full stop, South Valley. Full flaps.
Pleasure Tango, right crosswind from 16, South Valley.
Okay, follow along on the rudders.
I think I'm totally pulled out now.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, you are. It's because we were a little high on that one. Partly because I think we had some tailwind there. But the wind is still from the south over the runway. Okay, add a little power, just a hair. There you go, that'll help.
Pleasure Tango, entering right downwind from
Slow.
16, South Valley. Will depart the
Keep
pattern
flaring,
to the
keep
northwest.
flaring.
Off the
There.
downwind.
Oh my gosh! Jake! Hell yeah! Ha! That's a good one to end on.
Great.
Sweet. Let's go ahead and apply brakes evenly, very lightly, and we're going to exit here. Nice job, that was sweet. You can even say that was better than Jordan's.
I'll have to cut that part out.
I know, right?
Are we still recording?
We are.
Sweet.
Go ahead. That right turn.